How to add your bank account to Kraken. If you want to add your bank account to Kraken app and link it, all you have to do is open up the Kraken application over here and just make sure that you're basically signed in to your Kraken account. Once you sign into your account, this is the kind of interface that you will see, right? Now over here, what you have to do is simply go to the account tab from the bottom right or the portfolio tab. If you have got a certain amount of crypto, over there you'll find the option to basically withdraw your crypto as fiat currency, and there you'll be able to find and add the option to your bank account. But other than that, currently you can see I have not verified my account, that's why you're not finding it. But if you have verified your account, then you'll definitely be able to find the option to go ahead and then actually add your bank account right over here after you come to the portfolio tab. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add your bank account on Kraken. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.